Number 4, same bedrooms, unless you can tell that there's a den that they're not counting as a bedroom. If you can tell that the subject property has a den that's really easily convertible to another bedroom, then you can add an extra bedroom. That's really common in Arizona for 3-bedroom houses. A lot of houses are 3-bedroom, 2 baths. A lot of them have dens. When they have a den, that's really, really, really easy just to add a closet, maybe a door if you need it, and then you've got 4 bedrooms. So I would then look at 4-bedroom houses as a potential comp. Number 5, you want to do same bathrooms. It's a kind of funny reason, but it makes perfect sense when you think it through. If anybody lives in a 1-bathroom house, if you had a 2nd bathroom, how much of a difference would that make for you? Massive. If you have a 2-bathroom house and you have kids, how much of a difference would that make if you had a half bath that you could send your guests to? I have lived in so many 2-bathroom houses with a little boy, and let me tell you how much anxiety that caused me when people came over and like, sorry, gotta go pee real quick. And I'm like, oh, like, I don't want to tell you to not pee, but also, like, I don't know if my son peed on the toilet seat or the ground or the shower curtain. I don't know. Like, we're just learning how to aim here. You know, I don't want to embarrass him, but it makes a huge difference. So it is very valuable to have more bathrooms. If you're a little bit more experienced, probably not even in this class, but say you're a little bit more experienced and you're like, I could easily add a bathroom here, and I can tell that there's water pipes running in this wall because it serves a refrigerator. I can easily tap into that and add a bathroom here. If you're that experienced, then sure, change the bathrooms to add an extra bathroom. But for this intents and purposes, just plan on looking at properties that have the same number of bathrooms. Then you look at square footage, and I always start at plus or minus 10% square feet. You can also go up to 20% if you're not finding anything. However, keep in mind that 10% square footage on a really small house, if you up it to 20%, it doesn't make that big of a difference. But if you're looking at like a 5,000 square foot house, that makes a massive difference to change that percentage. Start more narrow and then use the modifications as necessary. Number 7, you want to use the same interior levels. And why I'm saying interior instead of exterior is because a house can look exactly the same, can look like a single story from the front. And so exterior, it only has 1 story, but it could have a basement. So then you've got interior levels, you've got 2. Having a basement in Arizona is huge because it stays nice and cool. I'm in a basement right now. It's amazing. It's a lot less money to keep this area cool. A lot of people in Arizona who have basements put all their kids down here. You know, it's great. So it's more valuable, especially I'm sure in other states, if you have a basement that's finished, that is really nice. So you want to do same interior levels. Number 8, you need same garage or no garage or carport unless you're planning to add a garage to the renovation. This is something that doesn't require a lot of skill to think I need to add a garage. Say you're looking at comps, your subject property only has a carport, but all the comps that you're finding really good comps, but all of them have turned their carport into a garage. Feel really confident that if you're going to do the fix and flip, that you should 100% enclose that carport into a garage. Just plan on it because it's easy to do and it's not that expensive. So in that case, you could utilize those comps that have a garage just because you know you can easily add it. So this is one you can actually play with quite a bit.